Welcome. In front of me is a NOKIA G60 and today I'll show you how you can boot this phone into safe mode. So to get started, let's hold our power key, and once you see your boot options, hold power off. This will then bring up a window, reboot to safe mode, with a quick message: do you want to reboot into safe mode? This will disable all third-party applications that you have installed. They will be restored when you reboot again. Click on OK, and this will obviously perform that reboot. And while it's rebooting, I'm going to just quickly explain what this mode is for, because as the message stated, apps don't really work in there apart from the default ones. So this mode is typically designed to help you troubleshoot your device. If you have some kind of problem with your phone, maybe you have some kind of app that is causing your device to literally crash or do whatever, putting it into safe mode will allow you to manage this application, maybe get rid of it, because that app cannot do anything in safe mode. As long as it is not the default app that comes with the device itself, when you boot it up for the very first time, it won't run. And once the device boots back up, you should be able to see, there we go, a safe mode at the bottom, just to signify that we are in this mode. And when I unlock the device, we can see if there's any apps that just won't work. So there is one already, Duo. As you can see, it's kind of a little bit transparent. Transparent apps like this are disabled in safe mode, and as you can see, when you try to open them up, it gives you this pop-up. There's a plethora of other apps in here as well, and in here. Some of these apps are apps that already came with the device. So Duo is the one that comes with the device, but it's disabled nonetheless. We have a bunch of them in here, so Drive, and even in here the GoPro and whatever that is. The rest of the apps here are non-default apps, so they were actually installed additionally. But anyway, that is how you boot into safe mode, and to leave it, all you would do is just hold your power key once more and select Restart. Once the device reboots, it will go back to normal mode. And with that being said, if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.